Hello, in this video we will see how we can uninstall any unnecessary software or application or files using on third-party software which is completely free in our Mac operating system. If we use our Mac computer for a long time, we definitely install many things and many type of software or add-ons or something it will be installed, and day by day the performance it is becoming degrading. So to remove those things or unnecessary file or to uninstall any application completely is very difficult. We can do it manually, but it's time consuming. But today I'm going to show you on a special free software which is completely free. Really, it's free, and that is called App Cleaner, by which you can do all the cleanup task or to uninstall your software, any software from your Mac computer. Let's see how we can do this thing. The software which I'm going to use, this is called App Cleaner. Okay, and here it is mentioned clearly what it is doing. Basically, it is a small application which allows you to thoroughly uninstall unwanted apps. That means if you install anything and if you want to uninstall that thing completely, then you can use this small utility type tool. And this application or this tool is available for a long time in the market. And the good thing is this, it is very free. Very free means you don't have to pay any single penny. I mean like that. Okay, so installing an application distributes many files thoroughly, and it is giving us the description. I'm not going to read those thing, but I will show you how you can download it, install it, and use it to uninstall some application from your Mac computer so that the junks will be cleaned completely. To download this software, at first we need to come this App Cleaner website page, and you can directly Google by typing App Cleaner, and then you will be in this page. And here on the right side you will find couple of downloads link are there. So these are different versions of macOS, and this is the version 3.6.8. This is supported by for macOS Mojave up to Sonoma. Okay, so this way you have to understand which one is compatible to your Mac operating system. I'm going to download this version because I'm using this version, not this version. It is the latest version, which is like probably 13 or something like that, the Mac operating system, but that is the latest. You can choose any of these version based on your macOS operating system. So I'm going to download this version as this is compatible with my computer. So I choose it, and then it's asking the download location. I'm going to put the download location in a downloads folder, and I'm going to click the save button. Once it is saved, then it will be on my downloads folder. It will be looking like this. So I'm showing you. So here, so this is the software which I just downloaded, and it's very small software. You're seeing it is only 4.2 megabyte of size, right? It's very small, tiny software. Now what we need to do, we need to extract it. It's a zip file, so we can use any unzipping software like WinRAR or something. Anything is fine, you can use that. So I'm going to unzip it. Once the software is extracted, I mean unzipped completely, we'll find this type of application, appcleaner.app. This is the application which is extracted from this zip file. To run this thing, we just need to double click and it will be running shortly, and it will give us this type of warning. We have to press the open button to open the software, and this window we don't need. I'm going to remove this thing. I mean I just moved it to other window. And here this is the application which is the App Cleaner, and it's a very small tiny software you are seeing. And here there is only one small icon, drop your apps here, and it's showing like this. So whatever the application you need to uninstall, you can just drag and drop it here. Like for example, you want to uninstall Chrome, so you will actually drag the Chrome application here, and you have to drop it. It will uninstall completely. And there are a couple of options are there. So some of the options, this is the main page, so where you can drop your application here, and if you want to manually search and drop it and remove it, you can also do this thing. For that case, you have to come to this hamburger icon. You just need to click here, and it will switch like this. And here you will find the applications and the list of application which is installed for your Mac operating system. For me, these are the installed application whichever I installed till now. And if I want to remove it, any of this application, we just need to click it, and then it will bring this type of window. And here it is asking, sometimes it will ask to access. You have to press the yellow button, and then it will show everything. And this is on software like CapCut, and here I installed that application, and here it is showing like 1.3 gigabyte of space it is taking, and it has everything, all the things. So if you try to remove this thing manually, you need to go all this location and you have to remove everything manually. But using this small utility software, it will show everything over here, and based on that you can decide which one you want to remove or keep it. Okay, so let's close this thing. I'm going to press the cancel button. Let's try another one. Like for example, this is Final Cut Pro app. I want to check where it is installed and what are the files are related to it, so that we can remove it properly, and we will install the latest version. So to uninstall, for example, Final Cut Pro X Pro app, we just need to click here, and it will search, and it will bring all the related information related to Final Cut. And it's showing that here it is actually using 6.22 gigabyte, almost 7 gigabyte you can say. So it is taking this much space, and if I want to uninstall, we can remove it. It will be uninstall the software and even all the necessary files, which is actually it is saving everything. So everything it will be removed if we press this remove button. So in this way we can actually remove the application. Let me show you other thing. I'm going to press the cancel button, and then one other thing I forgot to mention. So once you completely uninstall using this application, you must need to restart your Mac, otherwise it will not be cleaned properly. Okay, so once you did everything, it will remove everything, and after the restart of your Mac operating system, the cache and temporary file will be cleaned completely from your macOS. So let's see some of the other settings of this app cleaner. I'm going to click this icon, so it will be switched to the main window. Then I'm going to click the app cleaner. It will bring basically this pop-up menu. From here we can go settings, and inside the settings we will see all the preferences like general, smart, delete, updates. So update means if we want to update this application, we can click here. So next time when we run the application, it will be updated automatically, but I'm not going to do this thing. Or we can press this button, check for updates. It will check whether there is any update or not from the internet. So let's come to general. So there are two checkboxes there, show protected apps, protected running apps. So it will show the application which is running right now. If you want to uninstall those things, it will show everything like that. And there is smart search. This is on off. By default it is on. If you want to by default it is off. If you want to make it on, then it will be on. Or if we right now it is on, right? So if it is off, it will be like this, and if it is on, it will be like this. So smart delete detects when apps are trashed and will automatically final and offer to remove deleted files like that. Okay, I'm not going to click this thing. I'm going to click here, so that is fine. And then you might get this type of warning when you run this application, like background items added items that can run in the background. You can manage this thing, this thing. Okay, fine. We can ignore it because I'm going to uninstall all the application through it, but it's showing that this background application is already installed like this way. Anyway, you can ignore it, we can close it. So that's it guys, you can close it. And here is the app cleaner application by which you can remove or uninstall any application and related files of that application completely from a Mac operating system. And the good thing is that there are many softwares are available in the market, but only this one is the best so far my understanding, and it's completely free. Really, it's free. That's why I love it. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully by using this application you will clean the uninstalled application or junk files from your computer very easily. Thanks for watching.